Hello everybody, my name is Linda Gisesia Choque. This is my ID, my travel guide. Welcome to the Tota Lagoon. Come and meet this beautiful place located in Boyacá in the municipality of Cuitiba. You can enjoy delicious gastronomy, water sports, hiking, enjoy a wonderful view and beautiful hotels. What to do? You can ride a jet ski, ride a boat, to camp and hiking. Travel tips. You must not make bonfires in the forest. You must not let children swim without adult supervision. You must eat their typical food, rainbow trout. You have to enjoy a refreshing swim in its waters. You don't have to throw trash on the beach. Superstitions. The total lake monster is an aquatic animal known as Diablo Ballena. Wakira and the sin of her children, which talks about the origin of the islands and the peninsulas. When to go? Any day of the year, it is good to visit the Tota Lagoon, but preferably go in summer, which it is the month of December and January. Where to stay? You can stay in hotels, glamping or camping. What to eat and what to drink. Their main food is rainbow trout, or you can also enjoy a delicious hot agua de panela with cheese and a delicious rice masato. Transportation. Their main transportation is by boat, car, motorcycle, and ride a horse. Language Spanish. Currency. The currency used is the peso. In this place, it is not customary to tip. Thank you very much.